Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2017 Ford F-350 in an XLT trim and powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and vent shades on the windows. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you have your rear doors that fold all the way back to be in line with the bed of the truck, giving you easy access to the back seat, where you have seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And then in the middle, you have fold-out cup holders as well as a 12-volt power outlet. And looking into the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at only 42,901 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. And on the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information, fuel economy, fuel history, compass. Then you can move on to your display mode, where you have your distance to empty, tire pressures, digital speedometer, engine info, transmission temperature. And you can go to your towing information, off-road status, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, USB, and Bluetooth capable, so you have plenty of options there. And then, shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, with dynamic hitch views so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your traction control shut off, your hazards, and moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls. Pretty simple, easy to use. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and your trailer brake controller. And on the right, you have 2 12-volt power outlets. Moving down, you have another 12 volt with a USB, so you can plug something in from there too. And you have this little cubby here, or compartment for storage. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your tow haul mode button at the end of the stock. Moving on to your center, your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders here with your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious, but then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, with another lockable compartment underneath that for more storage, with some flip out cup holders like so, and plenty of room inside, so you can have some drinks while this is folded up, or 4 in total if you're feeling wild. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.